Just Buggin.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. So the other day I happened to be over my Uncle Lee's house and he showed us his 1967 VW Ratrod Beetle truck. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool, I gotta say. It has a 1600cc dual port Type 3 universal case with dual 34-pick carburetors and disc brakes in the front. It also has the tilt bed with additional storage and an IRS transmission. He is looking to sell it to maybe possibly get a more classic style Beetle. But it's a great truck to join the VDUB Ratrod Scene. Personally, if I had the money, I'd definitely buy it because I already saw a VW truck at Gary's house, which is a friend of ours that we visited in a previous video, and he had a VW truck, but it was his father's. But this one's actually for sale, unlike Gary's. So if you guys happen to be interested in purchasing this truck, comment down below and we'll get in touch with my uncle. It is a sweet little truck, and I gotta say that it just really needs somebody that wants to give it a little bit of Ratrod love. Man, I really wish I got to drive it, but hey, you could be owning it. Selling it for $5,500 or best offer, and will also take trades in the Central Florida area. So if you'd like to own this cool little truck, then comment down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and also stay tuned for our regularly posted videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day.